guys. You know, we got some new wheels. We just put, you know, Photoshop some three-piece wheels right there. You know, take out these rotors. You know, they're a little ugly, especially this one.
We can rewire. We can move this.
Oh yeah. No, I'm gonna block this out anyway so they can't see how we turn it on. Oh. You know, we're gonna be changing out the bucket seats that we got in here because, you know, we got you see how I'm holding it up? Oh.
It's a safety hazard right there, man.
We got a bright Lomax for the front. Warming up the car. Gonna run to O'Reilly's, get some lug nuts. We got some mismatched. Raise his car because this shit is hitting everywhere. Yeah, bro, you got like. Yeah, bro, you hitting.
Head out. Maybe asleep.
Yeah.
You already have it where it was gonna be? First.
Second bolt.
Wheels to the bottle cap wheels. And then raise my car. And then go wash them. I should be hired at El Gallito, huh? Nah, I'll be fired already, bro. These are bad. Damn, bro.
Okay. It's just bad, huh?
I'm surprised that it didn't pop on you.
Oh, for something I wasn't even driving that much. Yeah, that's pretty bad, bro.
You're gonna be faster because it says BMW on it. Did you already take the seat off?
Yeah. Fucking rat shit, bro.
Take it off gear, put it in neutral. Is it like rubbing somewhere? Alright, let's see where it sits, bro. It goes all the way down.
No. You good?
Yeah?
All the way.
Cool. Alright, now move the key.
We might need to remove the
Plastic?
Yeah. Fake bride seat. Fake. Fake. Yeah, they're fake. Oh.
And what, you just take off these take off these two, and then push it forward, take out the two in the back, and oh shit, this one has a different one. Pretty low.
When the boost hits.
Alright, your fenders are rolled, bro. Yeah. Cheap. The fender roller. Fucking bottle cap. Pretty heavy, that. Ready? Eric, check the spring, please. You should try to. Here, I'm gonna move the steering wheel and check it, right?
How is it? Good. Dale para otro lado. You're good.
We're good?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Hold it. So no, this way?
Yeah, you want
No.
the. No, you have to put the bolts in
Like that.
inwards. Yeah.
Ay, güey. Can try.
Let me
Saquen.
see.
Saquen.
Let me see. We should zip tie all this, bro.
No va a agarrar. I should take off this washer or just with the bolt.
I think it will get just the bolt, no?
The bolt, yeah.
No. Don't shake. It's the Red Bull, huh? There. And then right now I can hold it with and then with the other one coming up this way, right here.
Yep.
And then we can just buy the plate, make it, and we can just cut it. We have the stuff to cut.
All right, an update. I don't know where we left off because it's been kind of a hectic day. We got the wheels on.
We got the CRV.
Looks pretty sick. Hold on, let me explain. Okay. Oh. You know, it looks pretty nice. I dig it. We raised up the SRT4. Got a little bit more clearance. We picked up the CRV finally. Check it out. It's a little dark. I'm gonna go around the other side. Can I get a good view of it? You got some XXRs. Damn, bro. Mira, que pitó la GoPro. Oh. And we didn't put the bright seat in because we need some brackets. We got the wastegate tube on. We're about to full send it.
Cut the hole through here.
Just send it through there. Boom. And that should line up perfect. Probably tomorrow we'll be cutting the downpipe and then making another hood exit too as well. Just a little cold and we're losing daylight, as you guys can see. But that's about it. We're about to send it. Más para arriba. Ahí sí. Dale. Dale.
Ready?
I got it. Go ahead. You're gonna need the battery.
Yeah, the battery's dead.
Okay. Mira.
Yeah.
Pues si lo puedes dar, pues ahí está, mira, güey. Dale de así, ¿no? Ya.
Alright.
That's a lot better.
Change the battery, cause. But I don't want to go all the way, bro.
No, pero pues you're just gonna do the top layer. Because there's 2 layers, remember? Perfect. Mira. Yeah, see that? Yeah.
Yeah.
So with the tomorrow we can go a little bit out
Yeah.
this way.
Okay, where did it fall?
It's inside the thing.
Alright, let me. It's gonna be hot. Let it drop. Alright, let me